Beautiful. Look how much paper we got. What we'll do is we'll mix that in the blender. We'll add some water, add some agar, potato agar, and then we'll blend it all together. And then we use a decal, like a screen, like an ancient Japanese paper making method. And we're taking the wings and we're making paper. Look at this paper that we made from the moringa wings. It's cool. Yeah, I plan on really just, I want to paint moringa trees on here. And I want to frame it out and maybe sell them to you, so you can get some moringa trees on moringa paper by Moringa Poppy. Goals, baby! Oh yes, so I hope everybody's having a great Friday. Please like this video. We're on Instagram Live and Facebook Live. Really, really appreciate you for stopping by. Tomorrow we'll be live. Also, yeah. We'll go ahead and call it a day. Thanks so much. What's up, Hollywood, my brother? We're making oil. I got the shirts, brother. Nice. What up, Jay? Accelerator. All right, all right, all right. Yes, sir. Making that good body oil for the queens right here with this machine. Making that seed oil, baby. Yes. I built this machine over here. This little contraption right here. So happy to see you, brother. Hope everything is well. Loving it, loving it. God love group in the house. Yeah, brother. Call me. Nice. Awesome. Everybody, everybody, everywhere loves moringa. Yes. This is the seed oil right here. Getting this going. It's a great product. You can drink this. Skin, hair, nails, cuts, and bruises. Vitamins A, B, C, D, and E, and K. F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. And we have it in this size as well. This is beautiful. Super thick, super gold. And it's a complete protein. It has all 9 essential amino acids, and it has 9 other amino acids, making it a complete protein. All made from the drumsticks. This is the drumstick tree. Hiya! They call me drumstick. Hiya! This is my alter ego. I'm Kendrick by day, Moringa fighter at night. Wow, wow. Taking everybody out that wants to say anything about their blood sugars and blood pressures, about their lack of vitamins and minerals, their dirty blood, their stupidity. This will help with all that. It's just good for the brain. It's good for the blood. It can be very good. Now, like I said, this is disclaimer. We're going to close this out. This was just for educational purposes. I encourage you to just look moringa up for yourself. I'm not a doctor. I'm not giving any medical advice. All ifs and cans in front of cures and prevents and all that stuff. It could possibly cure. It might possibly, and it can help prevent all those things. So got to get technical with it. And yeah, they call this the drumstick tree because you can drum. Thanks everybody. Moringa love. I'm Kendrick Henry, your local moringa farmer. I'm here in Tampa, Florida. We're enjoying the weather now that spring is back. I'm super excited. These trees are going to start coming back now. It's been dormant, you know, it's been wintertime. I lost all my greens on my trees, so I'm going to start cutting them back. Might actually get them cut back right now. So I hope you guys have a good one. We'll be back here tomorrow at 1 o'clock p.m. I'll go live. Have you made your starter pots from the paper? Have you made any starter pots from the paper? Hey, that's a great question. Thanks, bro. We have not made any starter pots yet from the paper. That's a great idea. To where we could make a pot with the paper and then you could use that to just a decomposable pot. Hey, that's a really, really great idea. You might want to make the pots maybe possibly from the bark and even the wood, because it might be a little bit more fibrous, a little bit more tough. Might be able to preserve it a little bit better. Might be able to put like something on it so that way it doesn't biodegrade so fast, but maybe over time it biodegrades. That's great, man. We're gonna do that, but yeah, we're making paper. Make it rain, paper. Woo. Yeah, Moringa paper. I got a little sheet of paper right here. You can make it different thicknesses. This was a nice thin one that I made. We'll try it out, and we'll be coming out with the paper video soon. Have a great day, everybody. Please give me a call if you need to, 813-690-6516. Shoot me a text message, 813-567-3100. I think I just got some paper. That's all right. I got a moringa smoothie. Cheers. Moringa love. Peace. Till next time. Ciao.